Interview question 22. How do you handle feedback or criticism from your manager? This question is being asked to assess how well you react to being criticized in your work. Make sure you are positive about feedback. Now, those candidates who understand how beneficial feedback and constructive criticism are will be more likely to get offered the position. How do you handle feedback or criticism from your manager? I view feedback as an essential part of professional growth. When a manager gives me feedback, I listen carefully, ask clarifying questions if needed, and put together a clear plan of action. I value feedback because it helps me strengthen my skills, improve my performance, and contribute more effectively to the team. That is the top level answer that will help you get hired.